Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable the autoplay videos option on the Zalando application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should click on this account button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, click on App Settings. That's the third icon. Scroll down and here you can find the autoplay videos feature that is now enabled, marked with the orange icon on the right side of the screen. As you can see, when this feature is on, videos will play automatically as you scroll. Videos will only autoplay when connected to Wi-Fi, ensuring your mobile data remains untouched. So if you would like to disable this option, all you have to do is clicking on the button on the right side of the screen, thereby turning it off, meaning that videos won't play automatically as you scroll down using the Zalando application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.